coming back here, but I'm probably going to be leaving a Yelp review, let's just say. And yeah, definitely not coming back. I think that my skin is like gonna be green after this. I don't know, it looks green under there. Oh, definitely gonna go wash off really well, because I don't know that my hair is gonna be happy and my skin might not be happy after this. Oh, it's like there's nothing in there. Look at that. This was white. Now it is beautiful tie-dye. Oh, so gosh, that's slippery. Oh.